Okay, so this is so crazy. Okay, so I'm parting my hair like exactly how I want it, and you're gonna see this is literally gonna take me 5 seconds. Okay, I'm not doing a middle part because a middle part is good for exactly 0 people's noses. So I feel like I want to have the layers start right about there. So I'm gonna go on an angle and I'm gonna slowly like close my scissors as I go down. La la la. And literally it's gonna take me 5 seconds. And so, okay. Adding some more layers. I love angles. I tend to, because my hair is so thin, I tend to not put layers in the back. Now, I know people say putting layers in the back of your hair gives it a thicker look. Not for fine hair. So if you have fine hair, don't attempt to freaking put layers in the back and then think your hair is going to get thicker. It's not going to get thicker. It's going to look thinner. So just keeping a blunt cut in the back, which is what I do, is the best way to go. So now I'm going down like this, and as I'm going down, A, I'm going down in an angle, and B, I'm like slowly like going like that so that it cuts it. Here we go. Let's do a little bit more on top because I see a couple stragglers. All right. Here we go. And that is it. This calls for a drink. Cheers. Okay. So when you do this, it gets the ends a little bit knotty and twisty. So now I'm just gonna brush this out, and I wanna see, yeah, this looks about right. This looks about right. I wanna see if I like how the layers look. So I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna just twist it. I'm gonna blow it. This stuff, this brush is amazing. It's like blowing it dry without, you can't hear me, can you? Exactly. All right. Okay. I think I like it. I might want to add, a couple of layers, but I first have to see what it looks like blown. I do not. I actually like it exactly like this. Now I blew it like inwards, but if you want to do it out toward the face, it'll be a little bit flippier. But that is it, guys. Super easy. You can do this at home. It takes 5 seconds. It's not rocket science, or you could pay somebody $1,000 to do it. But let me show you how much hair is on the floor, because it is not that much. See? That's it. That's all that's on my floor. It's not that much. So you absolutely can do this at home. I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to blow the other side so you can see. I'm actually going to blow it out so you could see what it looks like blown out. So I'm just going to grab the whole thing. And face it out, like away from my face. So easy, right? This is like the easiest thing of life. Now I'm gonna just do this, hold it like that, You barely have to do anything. Do you see how you could like see the layers over here? And then when you do this, I'll do it one more time. Okay, so now this, you can totally see all the layers flip that way. Now I look like somebody's blowing me to the right, but really this is so easy, right? So easy.